Raid on a Minneapolis healthcare services firm that affects thousands of kids. Police took action against a company accused of lying about lead testing. And Fox 9's Bill Keller was there when officers made the arrest, and he's in the newsroom with more.
Robin, a big part of that rising healthcare premiums can be blamed on insurance fraud that costs Americans an estimated $9 billion each year. Now, today, Minneapolis police, along with the Department of Commerce's Insurance Fraud Division, cracked down on one company here accused of bilking Minnesotans out of hundreds of thousands of dollars.
What we're looking for today specifically are the computers and computer records.
Early this morning, members of the Financial Crimes Unit were briefed on a healthcare facility suspected of defrauding insurance companies.
If we have to take a ram to the back door, that might be our easiest bet.
When Best Care Home Health Care opened its doors at 9 a.m., Minneapolis police raided their University Avenue offices, seizing computers and boxes of records, even collecting a dumpster full of shredded documents. For the past 5 years, the company was contracted by Metropolitan Health Plan. Between 2008 and 2009, the Hennepin County-owned insurance company paid Best Care more than $300,000 to conduct lead screening on 8 to 30-month-old infants.
Many of those cards never arrived at MedTox, but were still billed back to Metropolitan Health.
But last year, insurance company administrators became suspicious when they noticed billing irregularities. Investigators suspect Best Care had lied about the number of patients they had actually screened for lead, in many cases billing for the same patient more than once. In addition to not receiving the services they paid for, the discrepancy ended up costing the county an additional $470,000 in government funding.
Once you start examining records, I mean, this could climb exponentially to over $1 million plus.
Police arrested the owner, Nazneen Khatun, and Adil Ali Brown, the company's chief financial officer. More charges are likely as the investigation unfolds. Best Care is also accused of overbilling insurance companies for registered nurses when less qualified people were actually doing the work.
Within 1/4 of a year, that amounted to $15,000 worth of fraud.
Last year, one nurse was accused of stealing pain medication from a client, but the company refused to fire her because she was involved in the scam.
As it turns out, the nurse who was doing all the blood draws with MHP is that same nurse who was stealing the pain medication.
Now, according to state records, the company has been investigated and cleared in 7 separate cases ranging from violating patient rights to substandard nursing care. However, in one case, Best Care was cited and an employee was fired for stealing from a patient. Live in the newsroom, Bill Keller, Fox 9 News.